Hi, this is Alex with Windows Report, and today I've got streaming on my mind in another special edition of 5 Tips and Tricks for Hulu, not Netflix. First things first, these tips and tricks are primarily for the web client. Some of them might carry over to other clients, but it's not a given, so keep that in mind. Okay, let's say you have to share Hulu with your friends and/or family, and because you don't all like the same things, you could probably do with some extra profiles. At least, that's my reasoning. Click your name from the main page, and then choose Manage Profile. Here, you can edit existing profiles or create new ones. Click Add Profile and fill in the appropriate info. You can choose to use the parental controls and make the profile kid-friendly, or you could just leave it as it is. After that, you'll go through the onboarding process, where you should select some of the shows that you like. And then you're done. Okay, now that we have a new profile, we can focus on My Stuff. Yes, that's the place where you can keep all the shows that you like. Click the My Stuff button whenever you want to take a look at your stuff, or alternatively, use the plus button whenever you want to add another show to your stuff. But don't overdo it, or you might just get. As for video quality, the choice is rather quite simple. In the video player's contextual menu, click the gear and then go to Quality. Here you can choose between Best Available and Data Saver, which is a good option to have when streaming out and about. Since we're tweaking stuff, let's have a look at the subtitles and see if we can customize those as well. We do this, you guessed it, from the video player. Click the gear, then go to Subtitles Audio. And then click Settings. The video will pause and you'll get a pop-up window where you can customize the subtitles. Click Done when you're ready to see your work. Now that we have customized our new profile, we should make sure it stays that way. Click your name and then select Account. Let me just quickly type in my password here. Under Privacy and Settings, click Protect Your Account, and you will be offered the option to log out of all computers. Or you could just go to Change Password and take out two birds in one shot. And that was it. 5 tips and tricks for Hulu, not Netflix. If you want to learn more about Hulu, streaming, and tech in general, make sure to check windowsreport.com for that error-free tech life, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more relevant tech videos.